Xin chào mọi người, mình là Thanh Huyền, giáo viên tiếng Việt tại Vietlingo. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the 6 tones in Northern Vietnamese. Vietnamese is a tonal language, which means each syllable carries at least one tone. That's why pronouncing tones correctly is essential for being understood. In Northern Vietnamese, there are 6 tones. Let's look at them one by one. The first one is thanh ngang. It's a flat tone, no mark. Flat tone, steady pitch, no rising or falling. For example, the word ma, which means dose. Ma is flat. Repeat after me. Ma, ma. For the second one, it is thanh huyền. It's a falling tone. Pitch go down, soft and calm. For example, ma, which means but. The word ma, you can hear the falling down. Repeat after me. Ma, ma. For the third one is thanh sắc. It's a raising tone. The pitch go up quickly. For example, má. Ma is mom, but used for informal situations. And you can hear the word má. You can hear the raising sound. Repeat after me. Má, má. For the next one is thanh hỏi. It's a dipping tone. It starts low, raising a bit, then dips slightly. Example, mạ. Mạ is a grave. You can hear the word mạ is dipping. So repeat after me. Mạ. Mạ. The hỏi tones is one of the trickiest for learners. For the next one, we have thanh ngã. It's a broken raising tone. High pitch with a slightly break in the middle, then raise again. For example, mã, which means cold or hoarse. You can hear mã is broken raising. Repeat after me. Mã, mã. The next one, and this is the last one, thanh nặng is a heavy low tone. Drop quickly, short and heavy. For example, mạ. Mạ is mean right sitting. Repeat after me. Mạ. Mạ. Okay, now we move on. Tone practice game. Now let's practice. I'll say a word and you guess the tone. 1, 3. Which tone? 2, 3. Which tone? 3, bá. 4, mã. 5, bã. And the last one, bạ. Here's the tips for you. Remember, the tones stay the same. Whether it's a statement or a question, listen to native speakers and imitate their pitch movements. Read out loud every day, looking at the tone marks and matching your pitch. Today, we have learned 6 Northern Vietnamese tones. Ngang, a flat tone. Huyền, falling. Sắc is raising. Hỏi, dipping. Ngã, broken raising. And nặng, heavy low. Tones change meaning completely. Ma, má, and mạ are all different words. Practice daily to make tones sound natural. If you want to master tones and speak Northern Vietnamese confidently, join our course at Vietlingo. You can even book a free 30-minute trial lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cảm ơn và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.